Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to insert image in cell. So I will click at this cell and then you can go to insert menu, click image and then you can click insert image in cell. Searching for your image, for example, I will use from Google Drive. I will use like this image and then you can click insert. Now the image will be automatically insert in this cell. If you want to resize, you can click in this row and then you can move to the bottom here to resize the image. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to insert image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.